It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Right, so here we got Marmite and Vegemite. Okay, they're both yeast extracts. One comes from England, one comes from Australia. I think you know which one I'm gonna like. Just comparing the back. Okay, so the Vegemite recommends that you enjoy as part of a balanced, varied diet. I think that maybe it's not as good for you as it claims to be. I can think of quite a few products that had that kind of disclaimer on them.
That stuff just sticks to your palate and you can't get rid of it.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so let's smell.
I want to smell. I want to smell.
Wait, does this one have
So Doug, while you're up in Alaska, if you need to grease your axle bearings or anything like that,
that'll work.
Yep. Just pack that stuff on.
That kind of smells okay.
Ben, does that have wheat and barley in it?
I'm sure it does. Yeast extract.
Yeast is okay, but barley and
Can
I smell it? Because I kind of want to try
take a piece of bread
Because
there?
I didn't try it. It's cold bread now.
I want
feel like I have to try all
I will
of it.
try some. I will
Let's
have
do the Marmite.
I feel like I have to try it.
I want to try some too.
It's on toasted bread.
I want to try it on bread a little bit. Well, I want to try it on bread. Yeast, carrots,
Can
and
I have the Marmite, please?
Marmite. Where's the Marmite?
That's really what you're
When you go inside,
But not on bread.
That's the GF alternative.
That's a GM.
Oh, it's like a
It's cheesy.
it's like a yeasty kind of honey. Oh, look at that. Like butter. Goes on like butter. Alright, so you
I want to try it. I want to try it.
It's a yeasty kind of
Looks like honey.
you definitely want to put it on thin, like think piece of toilet paper. Like if it looks like a piece of toilet paper, then you've got the right
That is not a
kind
discount.
of consistency.
No, Ben. No. IN.
Can I have a bite?
It's actually stronger than Vegemite.
Oh no.
toilet paper kind of way.
A little bit more bitter and not as sweet. I thought Marmite was sweet.
I know what
I was wrong.
emojis you can use on this title.
She wants to keep it. Yeah, that's not a surprise.
So quick
She likes
observation
everything.
then, Marmite is man-made vegetable.
Everything.
Both are man-made, obviously, but where one's an extract leftover, that appears to be processed, whereas it's got carrot and onion extract to create.
Apparently she likes it.
Simulates the same thing.
You are out of your mind.
Well, Marmite came
I'm
from
Australian.
Great
That's
Britain.
what I am.
Yeah.
And they,
England.
that's
from
their
England.
version of it.
Yeah, but
and
they
I think
also
it predates
put it
Vegemite, honestly. According to Wikipedia, anyway.
I'm
Didn't you
next.
used to say
I'm
Lucky
next.
Charms are part of a well-rounded breakfast?
Get a scoop.
This is what I mean about enjoy as part of
Looks like chocolate.
It's chocolate!
Just think of it as chocolate.
Yummy chocolate.
It actually smells like chocolate.
That
Let me
tastes
smell.
like it, Daniel.
See, it
I
smells.
can't smell nothing. All right, give me this.
Salty.
Kind of does.
Oh,
Spit it out! Spit it out inside the woods! Go barf inside the woods!
back off.
That was great.
I want a piece. I am so excited for this. And split it with me, please. Lexi, don't have a Yeah.
Lots of butter.
Yeah.
Alright,
Watch out on that. Can I split it with you? No.
then about that much Marmite.
Oh my goodness. Way less on that other one.
Goodness. I smelled it. I just smelled it. Yeah. Are you ready? Not me, sorry.
It's amazing on hot toast.
Okay.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't something because it wasn't.
It looks like it's cooked.
But it wasn't. I didn't turn it away.
I think I've tasted this too before.
Yeah, it's coming, Colin.
That is so salty. It might have
It is
been
alright.
on bread or something,
that's a
but
lot.
by itself it's so
No, it's just
what'd you think, James?
Oh, we should put our yeast on it.
What?
What?
There we go.
Wanna try this little piece?
All right, take a bite, Colin.
Wanna have that little piece?
It's super good for you.
Or is it?
It's really good. It's disgusting, It'd be good.
Yeah, I mean, Vegemite.com.au
You're gonna try it, Vaughn?
might have just that kind of recipe.
You see that?
What do you think of it, bud? Yeah?
I wouldn't eat it daily, but it's often.
I've been given those offers daily.
Well, I just said I wouldn't eat it daily.
You already touched it. Eat it, Vaughn. Vaughn, you already touched it. Just eat it.
It's probably worth a second bite, you'd think. Just to make sure.
Yeah, then take a real bite.
Ew. Now it smells like goldfish.
What? Get the goldfish.
It smells like goldfish.
Emily's like, I'm glad I can't eat that stuff.
That was okay.
Thoroughly enjoying myself.
Okay, let me to make
You guys done with it?
I would eat it.
No.
I'm done.
Here, do you want to eat, Vaughn?
Hold that one off till you get back from Alaska and we see you again.
Yeah.
So you gotta come to California?
We'll figure it
I need
out.
But it's big. You see the shape? It's big.
What do you think of it, bud? Yeah?
This one's big.
No, it's not. Just eat it.
Don't eat it then.
I want toast now. Just regular toast.
What, you don't like it?
Way salty.
Yeah. No, I want French toast covered with brown sugar.
No, I'm Australian. No, you're not.
Bear in mind it was created by a culture that basically boils everything in water to cook it.
That is true.
Maybe this is their way of getting some seasoning into their diet.
You know what it almost tastes like?
What?
Not quite, but like fondue. Like, because you have the bread and then like the saltiness of it.
What?
It's kind of like that.
I bet you Vegemite.com.au has got a Vegemite fondue recipe.
Do you like it?
It's kind of good.
You were.
The first bite's really bad. Once you kind of get over the saltiness, then it's kind of good.
Yeah.
Maybe it's better on bread.
It would be a pleasure.
Maybe you just need to try it again. You have to get past that first bite.
Mom, I'm getting another piece.
Daniel, because it's so good.
Wait, did you try it?
Daniel.
All right, look.
Yeah, he needs a thick spread.
He doesn't need the
Oh,
slight
that's
toilet
really
paper.
thick.
He needs the oops, I had an accident.
Packing the axle bearings.
Wait,
Yes.
who's
Like
getting
that?
it
Would that
now?
be? All right. So Daniel,
Come out of there, please.
sometimes when we don't like things in
No,
life, we
you
just
can't
need to
have
try
No,
it.
Daniel can't.
Oh,
You can't have the bread.
But Vaughn can.
Yeah, Vaughn.
Dinner bread.
Do it.
No, you guys are Vegemite brothers. Go ahead.
No, we're
Marmite.
not.
Oh, Marmite.
What?
Vegemite brothers.
Where did that language come from?
You can have it. I'm getting you a spoon.
Anthony, go ahead.
That's Vegemite, dude. She can't have Vegemite.
So you're gonna be a regular Vegemite Marmite eater, Anthony?
A Marmite eater. I hate Vegemite. Actually, I like it on bread. I like it on bread.
She's right here.
I'll take a thinner layer of Marmite and Vegemite. But wrong.
I want one with the dinner.
It's yummy. It is not.
Okay, so we need thumbs up or thumbs down on Marmite.
Did you try some?
I think we had another person
You wanna
who
try
wants
some?
to try some.
I'd give that one a thumbs up.
I don't want a piece of bread.